Alright y'all, so welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all the things that I do to discreetly nurse in public. I know a lot of people, first time moms, I was one myself, you get a little nervous, a little anxious, a little insecure about nursing in public. It's just, you don't know how people going to feel about it. You don't want to get those crazy stares. You don't want people looking at you funny, and you just want to feel secure while you're feeding your baby. So I'm going to just show y'all the things that I did to discreetly nurse in public. If you're new here, before we get into the video, I need you to go ahead and subscribe and turn that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post videos. Okay, so the first method I like to call the two-shirt method. So the two-shirt method is you basically wear two shirts. That's what it says. So as you can see, I have on one shirt. Under this shirt, I have on another shirt. Under this, I have on my nursing bra. So with the two-shirt method, you lift this shirt up, you pull this shirt down, and you nurse your baby. So let me show you. So the real baby is asleep. She's napping. So we're just gonna use this fake pretend baby. So like I said, the two-shirt method. Let me act like I'm really doing it. Okay, so this is the baby. You're gonna pull this shirt up. Put the baby here first. Then you're gonna pull this shirt down. Unhook your nursing bra. Boom. Latch the baby. And you can't see nothing. So this is like one of my favorite ways to do it, especially because my babies, they don't like to be covered when they're nursing. They do not like to be covered. So this is the most efficient way that I found to nurse discreetly in public, the two-shirt method. So this is another form of the two-shirt method. Well, it's still a two-shirt method, this is just a different shirt. This is the button-up, but I still have a t-shirt under the button-up. So you just do the same thing. But you lift the undershirt up instead of pulling it down, you lift it up. Look at me petting the baby like I'm really got a baby. So yeah, two-shirt method is my favorite. So number two, the second way is just by using a blanket. This is one of those muslin blankets, which can also be used as a swaddle. But you just take it, throw it over your shoulder. Let me add this if I'm really doing it. So let's just say you don't have on an undershirt. Latch the baby. Let me throw the blanket over. So this way, can't nobody see what's going on at all. But like I said, my babies don't like to be covered. So, but if you have a baby that doesn't mind being covered, then you can also try this method with a blanket. So another idea, like the muslin blanket, is also a burp cloth. So let's say you're somewhere and you don't have a blanket with you, but you do have a burp cloth. You can just use the burp cloth and do the same thing. You probably can even turn it the other way. You can even do it like this. Number three. So the next way, this is probably, I said that the two-shirt method was my favorite. But when I'm thinking about it, this might be my favorite. Especially because when I am out in public, I always wear my baby anyways. So let's just say the t-shirt method is my second favorite. But the carrier is my first favorite. So you put the carrier on. baby goes inside the carrier. Of course, you gotta fasten it. And this way, can't nobody see nothing either. So you just lift up your shirt, you latch the baby. And sometimes I have to adjust the straps on the side, right here. Because you see how the baby, like she's too high up and I need to bring her down to be closer to the boob. So I'll adjust my straps on each side. And then that way I'm able to lower the baby. I'm able to lower her. See? So, like I said, this is actually my go-to because every time I'm out, I always carry my baby. So, majority of the time, that is how she nurses. Well, this is what I did for my other 2 kids because Sarai literally just turned 6 weeks. So, we hadn't really been out like that. So, when I do take her out, this is how I'm carrying her. So, well, nursing her in her carrier. So, yeah, the next way is with a jacket. So, you're out, you got your baby, you want to nurse. And the only reason I keep pulling my the actual titty out is so that you can actually see exactly what I mean. So nothing's exposed. You just listen, you baby, and go dogs. You can even zip your baby up in the jacket if the jacket is big enough. And there you go. So last but not least, you can also use, I know one of them infinity scarves, I think that's what it's called. It's one of those long scarves. And you can like tie it and twist it different ways. You can also use one of those. So mine is in the closet. It hasn't gotten cold yet for me to pull it out. But you can use one of those scarves. I'm gonna just use this as an imitation. So you can put the scarf around your neck. So you got a scarf around your neck. Let me get the baby. So what you want to do is unhook one from around your neck. The real baby's waking up. And boom. Nursing your baby with the scarf. So that concludes this video. If you think that any of these tips were helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.